Honestly, I got this package like almost a week ago and I was waiting to open it with y'all. Wait, be prepared for some tutorials and some looks coming because honey, it is cannabis sativa seed oil. Ooh, I think I want to try that. Sometimes I don't be making sense, but I hope I'm making sense. Hello all my boss babes, this is your girl Andrea Nicole and I am back with another video. As you've already read, I have a huge haul from ULTA and Morphe. And yeah, I kind of went crazy because I needed some more makeup and all that good jazz. So we're gonna go ahead and roll into this. This one is from the Morphe. I'm gonna open this one first. Ta-da! So what's this? So this is my invoice. It doesn't have the price on here, so I won't be able to tell you the price on the video, but as you already know, if you wait, pause. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to comment down below all the items that you like, if there's anything that you tried and you don't like or whatever. Anyways, ooh, I'm over here knocking stuff over. So yes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yes. Become part of the boss babes, you know, because we bossed up over here. I don't know what you're doing over there, but if you ain't over here, then you ain't bossed up. Okay, so I got this Eye Obsessed brush collection. So this is a 12-piece eye brush collection from Morphe. And it comes in this little pouch, which is great because I need one of these. It looks like this. Cute. And I want to say, like, instead of shopping through ULTA, because you know ULTA carries all the Morphe things, it was cheaper to go through the Morphe website because they had a bigger sale. I believe it was like 20 or 30% off of everything. And then I want to say, like, most of the stuff I got was already on sale, so you get stuff on sale on top of discount, so it came out like really cheap. Ooh, that's nice. It's nice. So I'm actually trying to get into like this whole brush thing because I'm used to using my beauty blender. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but my skin is like really breaking out, like really bad. But that's another story for another day. But I was trying to get into like more of the brushes scene and stop using my hands and my beauty blender so much. So that's why I invested in these Morphe eye brush set. And plus I heard that they have some really nice brushes. So I just decided to invest in it. Give me a big, I have a lot of makeup and stuff and I just need to invest more. This is a 35V Stunning Vibes Artistry Palette from Morphe. It's 35 shades. We're gonna see how these shades look. So these are the colors. It's really nice. I'm just gonna swatch some of these. I'm gonna do this blue. Okay, so it's for purple color. Looks like that. Or the neutral colors. I'm more of like a neutral orangey type of girl, you know, and I really like the shimmer. Yeah. And this palette, like I said, was on sale, I believe for like $20. I need to get like another drawer or something, like one of these drawers for like my makeup. Keep it more organized. Next palette is the 350 Nature Glow Artistry Palette. This is all neutral colors. Like, that's more of my scene. Like, yes. Ooh, that color. This color is pretty. And this orange. Ooh. Like right now I have on like a dark red type vibe going on with my shirt, you know, like punk rock type thing. But like for every day, or not even just every day, but like when I'm going out with anyone. I normally do like a neutral type look, like glam but cute, you know, but not too dark. I don't really do pops of color too much, and that's why I got the other palette, is because it has a little bit of pop of color, but nothing like too drastic that I know I'm not going to use. Like this blue I might use, and I might use like the purple or whatever, but this palette I know I'm going to use, and these colors are pretty. I'm just going to swatch a couple because I really want to see how this peach color is going to turn out on my skin. So that like shimmery peach color. Ooh, up. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna try to turn this light down a little bit. Yeah, there we go. And then I ordered, what is this? Oh, a buffer brush. I ordered this because I was watching a tutorial, and she uses brushes to blend her makeup, and so I thought to get a buffer brush for my foundation. Like I said, I'm trying to get out the beauty blender thingy and really just rock with brushes and just see how it look. The brush is really soft. Oh my gosh, it's really soft. Be prepared for some tutorials and some looks coming, because honey, if you do like this look, I don't know if y'all are feeling this or whatever, but if you do, comment down below and I will film this look. This is kind of like, once upon a time when I used to wear makeup all the time, like every single day, this was my look. Even though it's a dark eye, this was my look. Like, I love the way it looked on me, and I always receive so many compliments on it. So yes, like this was my go-to look. Like, I'm giving punk rock vibes today. Like, are y'all feeling it or what? And I got this top from Fashion Nova. But yeah, okay. And better things. Wait. Oh, wait. And if you are not a member of ULTA, you need to become one, because for your birthday, they give you a little treat, a little goodie. And I must say, my little treat was marvelous. Like, it was A1. I'm actually wearing the product on now. They gave me a blush, like, honey, from NARS. And honey, yes, it was bomb. Okay, so once again, no price. But I do have the receipt. So we're just gonna go through this. This is a box full of stuff. So I got this LA Girl brow pomade. I'm trying to get out of the pencil because I have very oily skin, and I've heard that this brow is water resistant, so it'll stay through like the sweat and stuff, because I believe the pencil I use is oil based, so it looks extra greasy. So I just wanted to invest in this. Next, I got, oh, a bronzer brush. Yay! I be forgetting what I order sometimes, and I just be so excited. I'm like so excited. From Morphe. It's a Morphe brush. Oh, it's so soft. So soft. Yes, honey, I can't wait. I'm so excited to do my makeup now. This is so exciting. So then I picked up two brushes. So this is a Morphe brow brush M165. So I picked this one up, and then I also picked up a e.l.f. eye contour brush, which I love these. Like, I always buy these. These are brushes I already have. But yeah, another Morphe brush, which is a mini concealer brush, M421. This will be for my brows, I believe. I don't know. Did I get this for my brows? Bare With Me by NYX. Now, it is cannabis sativa seed oil, revitalized and set multitasking spray. Okay, and when I read the reviews on this, it was, people were saying like in the morning times it literally wakes up their face, like, because the cannabis in it. I was like, oh, I think I want to try that. Also did pick up some more beauty blenders, of course, because I am a beauty blender girl. And then next I got, so this is a Wet n Wild bronzer, highlight. Oh, sangria castles. That looks pretty. Okay, and then this one, like I said, is in the color Deep. Okay. Let's see what this is hopping like. Let me see what this is on. Okay. So it is a cool, like, it's like a neutral. Can y'all even see that? Like, right there? That little, that's like, that's good. It's good, I think. You have to see, like, once these colors start getting mixed up, what's really going on here. Like, what's really good. What's really good, you feel me? I'm sorry, I'm being so goofy right now. And that's because I'm very excited about this makeup. Like, honestly, I got this package, like, almost a week ago, and I was waiting to open it with y'all. I have to wait. I cannot open it before then because I know if I open it, I'm going to use the product, and I really wanted to hold out until I made this video. So I'm excited right now. Okay, so just let me have my moment, please. Okay, Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer. So I'm really, let's see, I'm excited about this because I do have oily skin, y'all. That was crazy because I was recording and, well, I thought I was recording and I wasn't even recording. So I don't even know where I stopped at. I think I didn't show y'all this. This is the ColourPop concealer, and I got this in the color dark 145W, and this is how it looks like. I did pretty good, like pretty good to order all this online because I ordered over $80. I think it was $80 of items. They gave me a free goodie that's like $100 and some worth. So first I got this stem seller. It's a cleanser for my face. And then I got this Cover Fix setting spray, which I will definitely be using. Next thing I got is my favorite makeup remover water. I have a bunch of these, like the big ones. Oh my God, they're like freaking the best. Like, oh my God. Hydrating cleanser for normal to dry skin. I don't have dry skin, so I don't know if I'll be using this. I'm more normal to oily, but this is that I might. And then I got a clarifying scalp scrub. So this is for the scalp of the hair, which I might have to use this because I be having some dry scalp though. Like, I don't have dry skin, I got dry scalp though. Just got your scalp. So I'm getting really irritated because my like storage is running out. So I need to connect to Wi-Fi so I can get this stuff on iCloud, so I can delete all this stuff so I can record more content, because this ain't cool. Like, I can't even edit this video until my storage get cleared up. So I'm just going to have to run through this real fast. But this is the Coconut Skin Moisturizer. I will definitely be using this. I'm really going to be rushing through this because I don't want it to cut off again. And then this is Refreshing Water Mist Sunscreen. Definitely using that. The Vitamin Glow Primer from Smashbox. Definitely using this. I'm saying I'm using everything. This one's the Purity Moisturizer. Going to try that. They put a lot of stuff in here. Sweet Spot On The Go Wipettes. Is this for your, yeah, it's definitely for your stuff downstairs. So yes, we'll be bringing this in my purse. Boskia Black Charcoal Mask. Definitely will try this. I'm breaking out my skin. I'm gonna do a clay mask tonight, but yeah. Then we have the brow pencil. Definitely not my shade, but might use it as a lip liner or something. And then we have Get Tone Toner for skincare. Tula Probiotics and Superfoods. I don't know about this. It seems like something that's not for my skin color. Then we have a brightening day. Y'all, I am like really pissed right now because this thing, but this is the bag that it came in. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because I keep running out of storage and it's getting irritating at this point. But thank you guys for watching this video. All you boss babes out there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I have more content coming to you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week, you feel me? And so yeah, all right, let me head out before this camera cut off on me again, and I'm gonna have to in her face.